Jakob. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing our channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today is another food episode and it is my brother's birthday. And today we are going to make red velvet cupcakes. Are you ready? Then let's get started.
Today is my birthday. Today we're gonna make cupcakes. Here are the things we need. First we need egg, the butter, cupcakes, and milk, and frost cupcake.
First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now we will mix all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Now we are going to pour milk into the mixing bowl while stirring, and then we are gonna put butter next. Now, let's put the eggs and mix well. Now we are gonna use an electric mixer for 30 seconds. We already have our cupcake mixture. We are gonna put it in our cupcake pans. Fill in half of the cupcake pans. Have our cupcake mix. Now we are going to put in the oven to bake about 20 to 30 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking, we are gonna make our own frosting. Here are the things that you will need. You will need frost mix, 60 or 3 tablespoons of butter, and 20 milliliters of milk. Are you ready? Then let's make our frosting. Use the electric mixer for 2 minutes. Then place the frosting mix in a piping bag. Here are our red velvet cupcakes. Now we are gonna put frosting in it.
Give me.
yummy frosted red velvet cupcakes. I hope you like it. Here are our cupcakes, Jacob. Happy birthday.
You sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Guys, I hope you like our food episode today. Don't forget, we will make some amazing and exciting videos for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Yum, 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 yummy. Yummy.
Like and subscribe, guys.
I like my cupcake. I like it. I love it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jacob. Yay! Happy birthday, Jacob. Happy birthday, Jacob. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Jacob. Let's do rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You blow. Our mom made Spiderman cupcakes. Do you like all of them? Welcome to Star Buffet, where we celebrated Jacob's birthday. Thank you for watching!